back out in nature. Today, wife and I are out at River Provincial Park. It's in Ontario, just a few minutes from Kenora. I think it's been my first time here, but we got a pretty decent spot. Pretty big site. It's also got the lake right across. There's some really nice campsites we've seen pulling up right beside the lake, but probably super hot commodities. Yeah, we just got the tent set up, starting to unpack. We brought our bikes and our kayaks. Closely, here's Love setting up. We got our mattress in there.
I cannot figure this thing out. I tried.
Oh, that actually goes along the back wall. That's why.
Oh.
Right now that looks like a hammock.
Yeah, I was like, this doesn't look right.
It's not right. There's a small one for there.
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, let's see if we can get it started without any paper or water starter. Let's see how good this kindling works. You basically just want to doing your s'mores and then kind of end the fire, or
We can sit out with it for a while.
just trying to figure out how many pieces to put on.
Well, how late do you want to stay up?
I'm good to sort of wind down anytime.
Let's see, let's
Okay, we'll
have like
we'll
an
try
hour.
these two.
Have about an hour.
We'll see how far these two go.
An hour, yeah.
We decided to have a little quick campfire. We weren't going to because it's a bit late, but everyone else has a campfire and it's a beautiful night. I can't really see too much, but I'm sure it'll clear up and we'll be able to see lots. So we got some pieces of wood here. I'm not sure, they seem sort of in between, like not dry but not wet either. So we'll sort of see how they burn. But so far it's burning pretty good with the kindling.
What happened to our fire?
Oh, well, the fire went out again. The wood's wet. It's very wet. It's not good.
Should we sit here and enjoy the smoke now?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll pretend that we have a fire. We'll get a real fire tomorrow.
Snap. The s'mores were good though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the s'mores. I didn't have one though.
You didn't want one.
No, I didn't want one.
Mm-hmm.
Just smoking it out so it dries a bit.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's so wet. Who needs a thermosol? Right. Yeah, hopefully that dries out the wood a bit more. That would be good. Alrighty, good morning. It's actually almost afternoon now. We got up early, had some breakfast, and then we went for a good long bike ride through the area and checking out the campground. It's actually a pretty nice campground. There's several beaches. They have a little museum. Staff here are friendly, lots of wildlife, lots of birds. Some blue jays have been after us for a while. Well, not so much after us, but we've had blue jays at our site. A lot of people on bikes. Showers were pretty clean. How was your shower? Mine was super strong pressure.
Yeah, it was good water pressure, pretty clean.
Yeah, it was good pressure. The heat was kind of on and off for me.
Well, I thought that it was going to have no hot water left because it was really cold when I turned the shower on. But then it got pretty warm when it stayed warm, so that was good. I do not like a cold shower in the morning.
No, no one does. Yeah, we'll have more footage of us doing some kayaking. We haven't fully decided if we're going to kayak yet next or do some hiking. We're kind of thinking some hiking. There's several smaller trails around here. But yeah, the sun's coming out, so maybe we will do some kayaking. We'll keep you posted. Here's hike number 1, doing the Beaver Pond, Granite Knoll. And we discovered it's actually a mindfulness hike, so there'll be some good mindfulness exercises on this one. Here we go. Nice lush green. Nice boardwalks. Nice wide path. Some fun stones to walk on. Boardwalks. I wonder how much is a boardwalk. Oh look, there's the shooters. There's something in the bush there. Oh, it's a little squirrel. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Here's the first one. I'm assuming that's the way back. Close your eyes, complete a quick body scan. Notice how you feel from head to toe. So we'll do that now. Well, I feel relaxed, like my body is very relaxed. How about you, Joes? You too? That's your feeling? I also feel a little sore from our biking in the knees. Continuing along here, a lot of rocks, kind of like Hunt Lake with all the rocks. Makes it fun and also challenging. You got to use all your muscles to really push up and stretch as you stretch from rock to rock. Yeah. Oh, here's another one. Breathe. Tune into your breath. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Slow as a tortoise. Nice. Such a nice walk. This is a nice trail. We stopped for a while at a viewpoint and just laid out on some rocks. And we're coming to a bridge. here's another listen. Very nice. I wonder if that's the other half of the beaver trail or what that is. At one point there may have been signage here. Oh, here we go. Beaver Pond that way. Granite Knoll this way. Yeah. So the sign did break. So nice. Some of these wood beams I don't know about. Not very deep, the water. It says this hike's 5K. I thought it was less than 5K for both hikes, so I don't know. Wow, what a view. So the rocks in this area were formed supposedly 2.6 million years ago by a rock formation known as, I think they said, it's called like the Dryden Bathurst or something like that. And it encompasses the area from Lake of the Woods all the way to Vermilion Bay, which is where Blue Lake is, and Blue Lake is also a gorgeous area, so that's interesting. I didn't know that. Okay, it'll be a bit hard to see, but there is a snake here. Let's see, I can't quite tell. Oh, he's coming back this way anyways. So fast. Oh, there he is. Wow, he's so massive. Huge snake. I'd like to catch it actually. If Chris is watching, I got one just for him. It's a huge mushroom. Massive sucker. There's a couple of them in the bushes here. And we're about to come out to a clearing, I think. And I thought I saw a nice big rock. Yes, I did. Oh, well, this looks like as beautiful as a spot of any to sit for a while. Wow, just a gorgeous day. Water's pretty clean. Check out these cliffs, super cool. Wow, this place is so nice. Look at all these little islands. And the water is so clear. Wow, this place is so nice. Look at all these little islands. And the water is so clear. Wow, this place is so nice. Look at all these little islands. And And the water is so clear. Well, we found ourselves a nice little beaver dam. Looks maybe fresh. Can't really tell, but this is a nice little stream here. Be perfect to kayak through, but we don't have a kayak with us at the moment, and I don't know where this is. Can't really tell if we can come back here or not. Check this out. Almost done the hike now, and we came across this. Someone has had a lot of fun. Look at this sun. Tallest of the pack. I doubt it's anything ancient. Probably just some kids came by and had some fun. Super cool. They left it. Hike completed. Back to the start. Oh, a little bit of ways back to the car. So this parking lot here was completely full this morning. Everyone passed us on the way out. That's okay. I actually really enjoyed this hike. I think I like it equal or more to the Hunt Lake hike, which is my other previous favorite up the hill.
Up the hill?
Yeah, up the hill. Yeah, now we're gonna go do some running for exercise and go do some swimming. That's where we'll be next. We took a drive over to Sioux Narrows, that's half an hour south from Rushing River, and they had just while we were checking things out, we found this area here with a sign that said steep cliffs, just a drop off. So we decided to take a look, and you can see it is pretty big height difference. And if you look down, yeah, it's kind of a drop. It looks like a bigger drop over there, but yeah, kind of dangerous, but nice viewpoint. Alright, last stop here before we head back to our campsite. We're gonna go check out the beach. For some reason they don't let vehicles down here. There's a play structure over there. Picnic area. Here's the beach. It's a nice beach. We've decided we're going to come back here tomorrow. It's a bit of fire tonight. Look at it burn. Almost out of wood actually. Left a little bit for tomorrow morning. But this is nice. Stars are out again. And I don't think you can see anything. Oh, there, you can see one star. Anyways, what do you guys want to see on the channel? When I go out for hiking adventures or kayaking adventures or camping, what is it you want to see? Do you sort of want to see more of my process? Do you want to see more of the nature? Do you want more of like monologues or something else, or food? Want to see dinner over and over and over? I don't know. Let me know what you want to see, and I can do more of that. Yeah, just finding this weekend super relaxing. I was super stressed out Thursday and Friday. Thursday night I didn't sleep at all. I was totally, completely worked up. But now that I'm out in nature, everything seems more simple and relaxed and peaceful, which is great. Really need this. I feel like I should just live out in the woods somewhere. If I had a cabin, I would be out here like all the time. In a cabin. I probably wouldn't go home. I don't have a cabin. yeah, we're gonna finish off the fire and probably go to bed within half hour, 45 minutes or so. Yeah, super peaceful. Last night we had some teenagers across the way. We're blasting music till quiet, just after quiet. Actually, they stopped, but they were kind of annoying. But at least they were respectful of the rules. That was good. Tonight they're gone, so should be very quiet tonight, which will be amazing. Amazing. Morning. Decided to try this new cooker my father gave me. It's like a back country one. It's just a single element, single items. Top of the propane can. So I'm heating up our water with it, which we'll use to make coffee with a French press that we just bought the other day. So, let you know how that is. Sun's coming out. We're just having some snack for breakfast. Corner store the other here had some cinnamon buns. As soon as we saw them, we're like, we need those. Oh, look, it's just melting up just nice.
It's ready. It's nice and melty. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. It's actually hot. Your turn.
You're not gonna make mine?
No.
Oh.
This one's from you.
Rude.
It's hot.
As we were building this fire, some guy and his 2 kids comes up and says, "Hey, excuse me." I look up, I'm like, "Huh? What?" And he goes, "Do you have any campfire wood?" I'm like clearly he had wanted to take my firewood, and I'm like, "No, I'm building a fire with the last of my wood right now." He's like, "Oh," and then walks away. It's like the guy doesn't even say sorry to bother you or like anything of consideration, just like totally walks away. It's like, buddy, you just asked to steal someone's firewood? Like, what a dick. On a new hike, this is Lower Falls or something like that it's called. At a little lookout spot. It's pretty muddy, but nasty. Just hoping not to get any mud on my toesies.
Oh yeah, you're wearing sandals.
Yeah.
Bad shoe
Oh,
choice.
this is clear. This is nice water. I'm surprised. Oh, there's an eagle up there. Not sure if we'll be able to focus in on it. Not sure what kind of eagle, but oh, there's more of a path over there. It's just a short 2K hike. Okay, I'm gonna try my luck on this log. Oh, this is extra hard with a cellular device. Oh, I already fell off. Let's try again. No, not a good idea. But could be fun. Nice rapids. Well, we're at the epicenter here. of this hike. I kind of want to get up there too. But here's the falls. Gotta say, what a nice hike. Both hikes we've done here, just absolutely fantastic. Wow. Oh yeah. Nice and scenic. We've actually seen so many eagles here. It's unreal. At least 10 to 15. For a while there, they were all coming in doubles. We found some trees. Anyone know what this is? It's got like fluff on them. If you know what it is, let me know. Interesting. This is the Rushing River General Store, and they have all sorts of good items in there. They have firewood. They also have a full mini golf course back there. Most notably is that they have ice cream in a little cup, and it's about $5.50 per cup. And they give you a straw, a little not straw, a spoon, and yeah, it's nice. It's nice not needing to wait. You just pick it out of a freezer, and then you're good to go. Well, beach day. Definitely some kind of storm rolling in. But pretty nice out here. Wasn't sure myself, but it's turning out pretty good. Anyways, that's the end of our adventure. I'm itchy. Yeah, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, leave comments. If there's anything you think I should do more in my videos, just let me know. Bye. Till next time.